Now let's understand the use of cut. So let's make a plane like this, no segment at all. Convert it to poly. Yes, because this is not 2D, na? This is plane. Now come to this. This is called cut. And I'll switch on the grid snap, edge segment and vertex. Got that? And click here like this, and like this. So if I do F4, you can see it here. So this is how it is working. So you can keep on clicking like this and you get your result like this. So this is one of the very good commands in 3ds Max. With the help of this command, you can create things like this. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So keep on working like this. So something wrong happened here. Let's go back. Let's check this. Then click here, click here, click here, then click here, click, click. So this is something wrong happened. So keep on doing like this. So this is what I have done. Come out of it. Maybe this is extra, remove it, extra, remove it. After doing so, now we have this. Select these all edges. After doing so, go to extrude, then go in minus, and make it like this. So this is what this is kind of, you can show as the stone cladded wall, etc. Okay, so let's move it to this location. This is something, I think something wrong has happened here in cutting. So I'm going to put it here. Now if I go to polygons, select all these polygons, got my point, and snap off. So now you can do inset. So you can do multiple inset and accept it now. Then after, you can go to turbo and you get things like this. You can see, you can make flooring like this, outdoor flooring, etc., the pavement and all. So I did it hurriedly, but you can do, with all patience to get the right effect. So this can give you stone cladding effect, flooring effect. Okay, so this is one of the techniques. With the help of cut, you can create really wonderful geometry or model. Thank you very much for watching this video.